Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add preferred language on Tinder. If you guys, so before starting the video, Tinder doesn't have a dedicated language option, so the app follows your device's language. So first, open Tinder on your mobile device, then tap on the bottom right corner of the screen. You open your profile from where you can change your personal details and information. Tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down until you see preferred language. Some devices can also have an option called add language. Tap on it, and from here you can choose languages that you know, and after you're done you can tap on done on the bottom. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.